Welcome to the world of investment, where your money works for you. Today, we're stepping into the realm of dividend growth stocks. These are the stocks that not only provide a steady income stream through dividends, but also have the potential for capital appreciation. It's like getting the best of both worlds. Investing in dividend growth stocks can be a powerful strategy for long-term wealth creation. You see, as these companies increase their dividends over time, you get a raise just for being an investor. It's a smart way to generate passive income and grow your portfolio. In this journey, we're going to delve into 3 such companies that have consistently demonstrated solid dividend growth. We'll take a closer look at UnitedHealth Group, a leading healthcare company, Broadcom Inc., a giant in the semiconductor industry, and Costco Wholesale Corporation, a renowned leader in the retail sector. Dive in as we explore the profiles of these 3 stellar companies, UNH, AVGO, and Cost. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First on our list is the UnitedHealth Group, known by its ticker UNH. Founded in the mid-1970s, UnitedHealth Group has matured into a multi-billion-dollar titan in the healthcare sector. From its humble beginnings as a single health plan in Minnesota, UNH now serves millions of people from all walks of life across the United States and beyond. The business model of UnitedHealth Group is interesting and highly diversified. It operates through 2 primary business platforms: United Healthcare, which provides healthcare coverage and benefit services, and Optum, which provides information and technology-enabled health services. This dual-platform structure has allowed UNH to diversify its income streams and mitigate the risks associated with operating in the ever-changing healthcare landscape. Over the years, UnitedHealth Group has shown a remarkable ability to grow. It has done so through a combination of strategic acquisitions, organic growth, and a relentless focus on innovation and improving patient care. This growth has been reflected in its stock price, which has consistently outperformed the broader market over the past decade. But let's talk about dividends, because after all, that's why we're here. UnitedHealth Group has a strong history of returning capital to shareholders through dividends. Since initiating its dividend program in 2010, UNH has increased its dividend payout every single year. In fact, over the past 5 years alone, UNH's dividend has grown at an average annual rate of about 20%, a testament to its strong cash generation abilities and commitment to rewarding shareholders. As for its performance in the stock market, UNH has been nothing short of stellar. Over the past decade, the stock has delivered an average annual total return of over 20%, significantly outpacing the broader market. Furthermore, UNH's stock has shown a strong resilience during market downturns, thanks to its defensive business model and strong financial health. Looking ahead, the future prospects for UnitedHealth Group appear bright. The company is well positioned to benefit from several long-term trends in the healthcare sector, including an aging population, increasing healthcare spending, and the ongoing shift towards value-based care. Additionally, UNH's strong balance sheet, diversified business model, and track record of innovation provide it with a solid foundation to navigate future challenges and capitalize on opportunities. To sum up, UnitedHealth Group is a compelling pick for dividend growth investors. It has a strong history of dividend growth, robust financial health, and a business model that's well positioned to capitalize on long-term trends in the healthcare sector. But, as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before making a decision. UNH's consistent growth and strong dividend history make it a worthy contender for your portfolio. Next up, we have a tech giant Broadcom Inc., or AVGO. Founded in the late 20th century, AVGO has grown to become one of the world's most influential semiconductor companies. It all began in 1961, when 2 electrical engineering professors from UCLA decided to start a small technology company. Little did they know they were laying the foundations for what would become a global titan in the tech industry. Broadcom's journey has been marked by innovation, acquisition, and strategic expansion. It has made some significant acquisitions over the years, including CA Technologies and Symantec's enterprise security business. These acquisitions have allowed Broadcom to diversify its product portfolio and expand its reach in the tech industry. The company's product and service offerings are wide-ranging. They include data center networking and storage, cybersecurity software, broadband access, mainframe, and industrial solutions. This diverse range of products and services has allowed Broadcom to maintain steady growth and remain resilient in the face of industry changes and economic fluctuations. Over the past decade, Broadcom's growth trajectory has been nothing short of impressive. From being a relatively unknown player in the tech industry, it has grown into a company with a market capitalization of approximately $200 billion. This growth has been driven by Broadcom's commitment to innovation, its strategic acquisitions, and its ability to adapt to changes in the tech industry. Now, let's talk about Broadcom's stock market performance. Over the past decade, AVGO's stock price has witnessed a steady climb. Of course, like any other stock, it has had its ups and downs, but the overall trend has been upwards. This upward trajectory is a testament to Broadcom's strong financial performance and its ability to deliver value to its shareholders. One of the most impressive aspects of Broadcom's financial performance has been its dividend growth. Over the past 5 years, Broadcom's dividend has grown at an average annual rate of approximately 50%. This impressive dividend growth is a result of Broadcom's strong cash flow generation and its commitment to returning capital to its shareholders. Broadcom's strong dividend growth has made it a favorite among dividend growth investors. These are investors who look for companies that not only pay dividends, but also grow them over time. They believe that such companies are likely to deliver strong total returns in the long run, and Broadcom has not disappointed them. Its strong dividend growth, coupled with its stock price appreciation, has resulted in solid total returns for its shareholders. Broadcom's management has also shown a commitment to maintaining its dividend growth. They have a policy of returning approximately half of their free cash flow to shareholders in the form of dividends. This policy, coupled with Broadcom's strong cash flow generation, suggests that the company's dividend growth is likely to continue in the foreseeable future. In conclusion, Broadcom is a tech giant with a diverse range of products and services, a strong growth trajectory, and an impressive dividend growth. Its stock has delivered solid total returns over the past decade, and its strong cash flow generation suggests that its impressive dividend growth is likely to continue. With its robust product portfolio and impressive dividend growth, AVGO is a stock investors should consider. Last but certainly not least, we have the retail behemoth, Costco Wholesale Corporation, known as Cost. Let's dive into the rich history of Cost, a company that has redefined the retail industry with its unique business model. Costco was founded in 1983 in Seattle, Washington. Ever since, it has been on a trajectory of growth and success that has truly set it apart. What started as a single warehouse store has now bloomed into a global enterprise with over 800 locations worldwide. Costco's business model is quite fascinating. It's built around a membership-based system. Customers pay an annual fee to shop at Costco's warehouses, where they can purchase a wide range of goods, from groceries to electronics, at discounted prices. This model ensures a steady stream of income for Costco even in challenging economic times. It's a win-win situation for both Costco and its loyal members. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the massive growth of Costco. Over the years, Costco has seen tremendous expansion, not just in terms of its physical presence, but also its financial performance. The company's revenues have grown consistently year over year, reaching a staggering $163 billion in 2024. The key driver behind Costco's success, apart from its business model, is its relentless focus on customer satisfaction. Costco has a policy of keeping markups low, usually not more than 15% above the manufacturing cost. This allows the company to offer high-quality products at competitive prices, which in turn drives customer loyalty and repeat business. Now let's shift our focus to Costco's performance on the stock market. Since its initial public offering in 1985, Costco's stock has been a consistent performer. Over the last 5 years alone, Costco's stock price has more than doubled, outperforming many of its peers in the retail sector. This strong performance is a testament to Costco's solid business strategy and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. But here's what makes Costco a truly attractive proposition for investors: its dividend growth. Costco has a solid track record of not just paying dividends but growing them over time. The company has increased its dividend every year for the past 15 years, a feat only a handful of companies have been able to achieve. In 2024, Costco announced a dividend of $3.30 per share, up from $2.60 the previous year. This represents a growth rate of over 26%, well above the industry average. What's more, Costco's dividend yield stands at a healthy 0.8%, making it an appealing choice for income-focused investors. The company's strong cash flows and stable earnings provide a solid foundation for its dividend payments. Moreover, Costco's commitment to returning capital to shareholders in the form of dividends and share buybacks further strengthens its position as a dividend growth stock. In conclusion, Costco's unique business model, its consistent financial performance, and its strong dividend growth all contribute to making it a compelling investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie, Cost is a stock that deserves a place in your portfolio. Cost's business model and steady dividend growth make it a solid pick for any investor. So there you have it, the top 3 dividend growth stocks: UNH, AVGO, and Cost. Let's quickly recap what makes these companies a compelling prospect for those seeking steady dividend growth. UnitedHealth Group, or UNH, is a titan in the healthcare sector, with a solid history of consistent dividend increases and a robust business model that's primed to capitalize on the ever-growing demand for healthcare services. It's a stock that's well-positioned for long-term growth. Next up, we have Broadcom Inc., or AVGO. A key player in the tech industry, Broadcom's wide range of semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions keep it at the forefront of innovation. Couple that with its impressive track record of dividend growth and you have a stock that offers both potential for capital appreciation and income. Last, but by no means least, we have Costco Wholesale Corporation, or Cost. This retail giant has proven its resilience time and again, even amidst challenging market conditions. With a strong membership model driving recurring revenue and a history of solid dividend growth, it's a stock that offers stability and reliable income. Now, as always, it's important to remember that investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. These stocks have shown impressive dividend growth, but that doesn't automatically make them the right fit for your portfolio. Every investment decision should be made based on thorough research and a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the key is to stay informed, stay patient, and stay disciplined. The world of investing is always evolving, and the more knowledge you arm yourself with, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it successfully. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on the latest investment tips and tricks. Until next time, keep growing your wealth. This video was brought to you by. We appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of dividend growth stocks with us today. We've dived deep into the financials and strategies of UnitedHealth Group, Broadcom Inc., and Costco Wholesale Corporation. We trust you found the insights valuable and maybe even a little bit intriguing. Remember, the stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, so it's crucial to stay informed and keep learning. And that's exactly what we're here to help you do. Each video we create is a step towards better understanding the financial world and making more informed investment decisions. We love hearing from you, so if you have any thoughts, insights, or questions about today's video, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Our community is filled with seasoned investors, beginners, and everyone in between, all eager to engage in insightful conversations and learn from one another. Maybe you're wondering about a specific stock, or perhaps you have a question about investing strategy. Whatever it is, don't hesitate to ask. We're all here to grow together. And who knows, your question or insight might just be the spark for our next video. We're always working on new content to keep you updated on the latest market trends and investment strategies. So, if you'd like to stay in the loop and continue this journey with us, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you don't want to miss an update, click on that bell icon. This way, you'll be notified each time we post a new video. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your fellow investors, friends, or anyone who might benefit from this information. Every share helps us reach more people and empowers them to make informed financial decisions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update from us. See you in the next video.